talking to us, Shreya, because fact also is that the BJP and largely the NDA cannot afford to disappoint its smaller allies in any which way, considering the kind of role they played in the previous election. And the BJP also understands their importance to know that they can be quite the savers in that critical moment. So with regards to that, of course, the negotiations that will happen very, very carefully. And what really is at stake for the BJP or for the larger NDA fold when it comes to players like the HAM?
Well, it wouldn't be wrong to say that, or an exaggeration rather, that the BJP is indeed in a tight spot and they will have to tread with caution to ensure that they do not, anger any of their alliance partners. Because given Bihar concern, these alliance partners that we talk about, be it the LJP, be it the HAM, they are also about how the caste politics figure out in the state of Bihar. By somewhere down the line, setting out a wrong message can actually disrupt the power play that the BJP is trying to win in their favor. And that is primarily why you see that nothing is off right now. There can be dissatisfaction, as it always happens when the candidate lists are finalized, because there are multiple rounds that needs to be gone through, multiple calculations taken into consideration, and that's precisely why we see such long meetings happening for days to come. And probably the meeting that we are seeing today is one of the so many that has already happened in the hindsight. And it will be interesting to see that whether BJP accommodates Jitendra Manjhi's demands or not. But as I pointed it out, our sources say that the reason he is unhappy is because when it was a demand for 10 seats, a number of 7 was offered with some conditions. Whether those will be laid off and BJP sticks to 7 seats or not, we will see in a short while. But apart from HAM, we'll also be seeing what LJP is given. They had a demand of 40 seats. Unlikely that will be met, but what will be the final figure is something that we will probably get a clarity on once the meeting ends, which probably might just be stretched to day 2 for tomorrow.
All right. Keeping a close eye on every development. For the moment, Shreya, thank you for getting us.